Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fix the problem that you might be having with your WooCommerce store if the shipping is not working. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that you're using. If you're using WordPress just like me, go to wordpress.com and this is going to open up this main page from where we can get started with accessing all the plugins we have right here at the left side of the screen, the plugin section, from where we can get started with finding the WooCommerce plugins we have installed. Now let's go and take a look what to do if our plugins are not working and shipping is not working. What you can do is find any article like this one right here on why shipping is not working, why you have no options, and you can go ahead and try to go and follow some of the troubleshooting steps. If you have incorrect shipping zones, missing or incorrect shipping methods, customer address issues, and so on. But what you want to do is follow and find the shipping plugin that you're using by searching for it in the marketplace, and make sure if you're using WooCommerce for your shipping or maybe ShipStation or something similar that you want to go and set it up correctly. You can find any kind of this article for yourself, read it in great detail, and see what steps you need to follow. All of that is going to be available right here in your plugin section by accessing the WooCommerce plugin. So remember that this is where you're going to find the settings and all the management tools, and then you can follow the rest of the steps right here to try the troubleshooting for yourself and see what works, and that's how you can go ahead and do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.